Sa separation of variables, itong y prime, alam natin na y prime is equal to dy over dx. So, palitan natin siya ng dy over dx. Magiging 2xy dy over dx is equal to 1 plus y squared. Multiply natin both sides by dx. Wait lang. By dx, so 2xy dy is equal to 1 plus y squared dx. Next is, divide naman natin both sides by 1 plus y squared. And, yung x. So, magiging 2y dy all over 1 plus y squared is equal to dx over x. Ngayon, na-separate na natin yung variables. So, integrate na natin both sides. Ito, alam na natin agad na ln x siya. ln x. Ito yung medyo complicated. So, solve natin siya sa gilid. Magiging 2y, the integral of 2y dy all over 1 plus y squared. So, let yun natin yung 1 plus y squared. Use substitution ang gagamitin natin. So, du is equal to 0 plus 2y dy. 2y dy, ito yan. So, papalitan natin yan ng du. So, magiging du all over 1 plus y squared is u. So, du over u, magiging ln u. So, balik natin yung u, magiging 1 plus y squared. ln 1 plus y squared. So, lipat natin ln 1 plus y squared. Tapos, lagay tayo dito ng plus ln c. Since, para mas madali, lahat naman may ln, lagdagan natin ng ln c. Kasi, kahit anong niyan, same lang naman yan na magiging constant. So, since lahat ln, pwede na yan maging 1 plus y squared is equal to x times c or cx. Next is solve natin siya in terms of y. So, y squared is equal to cx minus 1. Magiging y is equal to square root of cx minus 1. So, yan yung general equation natin. Ito yung general equation. Pero may condition tayo na when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So, substitute natin. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Y is equal to square root of cx minus 1. Y is 3. C times 2 minus 1. So, 2c minus 1 is magiging siyang para mas madali i-solve natin, times natin both sides. I-square natin both sides. So, magiging ganyan. Magiging 9 is equal to 2c minus 1. So, 9 plus 1 is equal to 2c. 10 is equal to 2c. C is equal to 5. Itong value ng c, isa-substitute natin dito sa general equation. So, magiging na siyang y is equal to square root of 5x minus 1. Tapos, yan na yung final answer.